Hey cookers, today we're doing another Aldi's Taste Test challenge. We're comparing Jif Creamy Peanut Butter with Aldi's Peanut Delight Creamy Peanut Butter. I've eaten peanut butter sandwiches all my life. How about you, Karen?
Yes, I have.
How many do you think you've eaten in your life?
Can't count that high.
1,000? 10,000?
Oh, at least 1,000. To this day, 2-3 times a week, I take a peanut butter sandwich to work.
So we all eat peanut butter except for those of you who are allergic to it. For that, I'm deeply sorry. How much does yours cost, Karen?
Okay, so if you go to Walmart, my local Walmart sells the 16-ounce package for $3.12.
And our local Aldi's sells the Peanut Delight for $2.09.
So you're talking about $1 and change difference in price.
Yeah, not a lot, but we're going to find out if the price difference is worth it. Do they taste about the same? I truly have no idea. I eat both brands. I mean, we regularly do eat Aldi's brand because it's cheaper, but we're going to find out if it's really worth it. Let's open these up.
Okay.
Your leg came off easy.
Look.
My leg came off easy.
More of this wonderful packaging that makes me nuts.
Okay. I was able to get that off.
Yeah, okay.
That tastes good.
All right. Oh, nice and peanut. Smell this.
That smells
that's a
good.
nice peanutty aroma.
This doesn't have quite the smell.
Nope, not as strong. It does not.
All right, so Jif,
Has a nice aroma when you open the package.
Jif wins the smell test. All right, so let's taste it.
Okay. Oh, that's good peanut butter.
Okay.
It has the same texture.
Well, I think the Jif is a little smoother, a little creamier.
Yeah, and it has a better peanut taste too.
And this is a little thicker.
Yeah, I like the Jif better.
The Jif has a little better taste there. So now we're going to make peanut butter and jelly sandwiches because that's what most of us eat our peanut butter with. When this day is done, we are going to be tired of eating peanut butter.
Crackers.
We're using Wonder Classic bread to give both of these peanut butters a fair shot. We got about equal amounts of peanut butter there?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. So now we're going to use
strawberry preserves.
Strawberry preserves because
I
think it stands up well to the peanut butter. Now, I like a lot.
Which is not to disparage grape, America's favorite.
I like a lot of jelly on mine, but...
No, and I'm kind of interested. What is your favorite jelly, people in viewer land?
Specifically with a peanut butter sandwich.
Exactly.
All right.
Close that up.
Here we go. That's a good peanut butter sandwich. I would eat this any day. Why don't you pass me yours?
That's good. I think the Jif is better. Thank you, Jif.
You're welcome. Hey!
What?
You took my peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
I gave you one back.
When eating it as a sandwich with the jelly on there, I couldn't really tell the difference.
I can.
You can?
The Jif peanut butter has a more peanutty taste. You taste the actual taste of peanut. Whereas with the Aldi, it's not as strong as the Jif. You can taste the peanut, you know, the peanuts that it's made with, but not as strongly as the Jif.
Okay, so for me, in the sandwich, I'm not seeing a big difference. Karen is enjoying the Jif more. I would certainly eat the Aldi's brand peanut butter and a PB&J any day. Now, the question is, there are what, $1.03 difference in price?
Mm-hmm.
Would you pay $1.03 more for a 1-pound jar of Jif over a 1-pound jar of the Aldi's? Is it really worth
No.
50% more?
No.
Nah.
No.
I don't think it's worth 50% more either.
It's not.
So the Jif tastes better,
It does taste better.
but I think the better value is actually the Aldi's. I really enjoy the Aldi's, and
It's good.
won't stop buying it. I have no problem if I need to pick up Jif. I would in a heartbeat. So we have other videos on Aldi's Taste Test challenges. Feel free to check out the link on the card that's coming up. Well, y'all have fun.
Bye.
Today we're doing another Aldi's comparison, Hey cookers! Today we're doing another Aldi's Taste Test challenge. Did I hit you in the face?
Almost.
Almost. We're comparing Jif Creamy
Divorce attorneys. She almost slapped me in the face.
Aaron misses all that entertainment.
Oh, yeah.